Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we are reviewing equivalent fractions, and that's on page 2 of our homework. And equivalent fractions are just fractions with the same amount, but they're cut or partitioned differently. Okay, so you used equivalent fractions in your life many times. Okay, so if I have a whole, um, and this time I'm using a number line, it's the same thing. You can make this whole into a box, like a rectangle, like we have been doing, but we use the number line because it's just less drawing to do. Okay, so let's say this whole is now one piece, so it's one, okay, one whole. Now, if I partition it into one, two, three, four, five, and now let's see how many parts I have. One, two, three, four, five, six. Now this whole is partitioned into sixth, right? And let's say I used one part, I took two parts. So now we have only one, two, three, four sixths. Okay, so it was 6 in the beginning. We have all the parts, but now we are 4/6, right? We are 4/6. Um, we want to create an equivalent fraction. So the equivalent fraction could be by us simplifying this partition or breaking it more. And the easier way is to break it more, right? So I'm going to break each, I'm going to use a different color here so you can see. I'm going to break each sixth into three parts. One, two, three. 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 Okay? So each sixth is broken again by 3, right? Because we don't have just a sixth anymore. We have six that is broken into 3 parts. So so what does that become? That becomes, instead of 6, it becomes 6 times 3, because each six is carrying 3 smaller parts in it. So now, instead of 6, we have 18, okay? And if we keep counting the available pieces that we have, eventually we will have to also multiply 4 by 3, so that gives us 12 pieces of 18. Did we change the amount? No, we didn't. We just changed the partition. And instead of having 4/6, now we have 12/18. They are both equivalent because they are both the same amount, but they are partitioned differently. So the shortcut of you creating an equivalent fraction on a number line is to partition smaller parts for each part of your already partitioned whole. So that means you take each part and you break it into 2 pieces or 3 pieces like I did, or even 4. Okay, but you have to do it throughout the whole, right? You have to do it throughout the whole thing. You can't just do it to up here. It has to be the whole number line, okay? Or wherever you reach 1, okay? And then count how many pieces are available. Count how many parts you made and how many are available, okay? So I hope this example helps you remember what equivalent fraction is, and I look forward to seeing your work, and make sure you are showing and telling me what you understand.